you doing? My name is Bob Muffler. I'm the owner and proprietor of Cool Treats for NSB in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. I attended Jeff's boot camp for ice cream making and just general business practices. Amazing class. I've used so many practices to do what I do here, and they all work. If you can attend it, spend the money because it's well worth it. You'll make it back tenfold. I appreciate the time. Thanks.
Hey, Cliff Hibbett's of Hibbett's Ice Cream. Let's go inside. So I finished the boot camp back in October, and I'll tell you, it was a great experience. You can't get enough of Jeff's information and recipes. It was beyond belief. It started me off on my journey. I've been studying ice cream for 7 years now, and after that I bought the machine, the 24 quart, and I'm going strong. Thanks, Jeff.